Hey guys, just a quick review of my Harley Davidson 48. So here we go. Hi guys, so this is a quick review of my Harley Davidson 48, which I had purchased a couple of years back, around 4 to 5 years back, and this is an ownership review. So the bike has done about 18,000 kilometers since I got it, and I've got quite a few aftermarket accessories on the bike. So this is a quick review of um, how the bike has performed after since I bought it. So we'll start with the pipes. Um, these are the stock pipes which I got from the factory. I had put Vance and Hines pipes as well, but they were too loud. I used them for quite a while, but I found them quite loud during traveling. So I sold those and I put the stock pipes back again. Um, I do miss the sound of the Vance and Hines, but in the long run, I think the stock pipes are better. Uh, some of the things which I have done, some of the changes which I have done is I have put the Sundowner touring seat. So this is really comfortable, especially for long rides. The 48 comes with a single seat, which is quite uncomfortable if you're touring. So I'm very happy with these Sundowner Harley Davidson seats. They are really comfortable. As you can see, the contour of the seat is really nice and comfy. I haven't changed the suspension. Suspension is the same, but you might want to adjust according to your weight. I've put these as well. These are called as mini footboards or mini floorboards. These are really nice and comfortable. I've put the highway foot pegs as well. So when you're traveling, you can put your foot like this, or you can even rest it all the way to the on the highway foot pegs. Harleys, they don't come with any lock, so anyone can open the fuel tank. I have got a lock with me, but I don't use it. It's a hassle to open it all the time when you're filling fuel. I had put the Screaming Eagle spark plugs as well as the wires. The left side one got broken, so I put the stock back again. Apart from that, I have put Hollywood handlebars, as you can see. These are specially made for touring, so when you go long distance, they are nice and comfortable. I have also put the Daymaker. So the stock Harley, it comes with the halogen lights. Daymaker makes a huge difference, so especially at night when you're traveling, the throw of the light is really nice. So yeah, I mean, I've changed the tire once. I've changed the rear tire once. The front tire is the same since last 5 years. It's not got much of wear. One thing what I'd like to say is some of the negatives of owning a Harley Davidson is the ground clearance. As you can see, ground clearance is really low, so when you're especially going over bad roads, it tends to touch the bottom. Also, the suspension travel is not much, so you might want to change that and get a progressive suspension. That might help, because if you don't adjust this according to your height, it can bottom up when you go on bad roads Um, I have also put the 12-volt uh, charger for your mobile phone. This is the holder for that. This is the mobile phone holder. I had got a problem with this, so in case you're buying a Harley, make sure when you clean the bike, no water goes in here. So when I used to clean the bike, I used to clean it with a jet spray. So the water went right inside, and there was an electrical problem. So I got this replaced under warranty, um, fortunately. And so you just make sure that uh, that the water does not go in here. Also, I would like to mention that many people, they put this Hollywood handlebar. There is no need to change the cables. This is the brake cable, and what are the other cables here? This is the clutch cable. No, not the clutch cable. This is which cable? This is the brake line. This is the throttle cable here. So you don't need to change any cables. Clutch cable is on the left. You can just put it, I mean, I fit it as it is. What Yeah, there's one issue with the Harley is this. So when you turn it on, this gets broken. So mine is broken. I can, even though I've switched on the engine, I can remove the key. So it's a fault. So far I'm happy with the bike. There's one thing which I would like to say. Harleys, they don't have very good brakes. So if you're going to compare the Harley with a Japanese bike, the brakes aren't up to the mark. This bike has got ABS, so it's got ABS in the front and ABS in the back. It is adequate, but it is not as good as a Japanese bike. That's what I'd say. So you just have to be extra careful. Apart from that, the engine has run in well. It's really nice. It makes a nice. The pipes sound really nice. The stock pipes when the bike is idle. I'll just show you how it sounds. Also, I would like to mention the battery on a Harley, it lasts only 2 years. So mine lasted only 2 years, so I had to replace it. So this is the second battery on the Harley. That's about it, guys. So you guys have a nice day.